Okay. The spheres, the face spheres, the body spheres, the foot spheres. This is apparently blue agate. Who might argue with the provider who says that different batches come in different colours? I still don't think it is, but we'll take that. It's okay. It's just a beautiful stone. So here we have a lovely oil that I've blended. It has got rose hip seed, apricot kernel, and a little dab of castor oil. Why not? And then it's got frankincense rose and Palma rosa. That's the oil that I've blended and that we use. Okay. Now, working with the ball on the face, just for masseter, it's going to be difficult for you to see this, but I'm using the ball in my hand and just kind of turning it. It might be on the other side that we see a little bit better, but just sitting the ball, sitting the sphere just below the zygomatic bone, so it's on the masseter. And I'm just allowing the ball to circulate in my palm, supporting the face on the other side. How's that feeling? Mm-hmm. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Is it strong?
Yeah, it's good.
But it's good. That's good. That means it's working. It's a pain that is well received. You know, you can also bring them up a little bit, as we did with the compresses. Circulating round. So now I am going to press a little firmer. I'm just working into the occiput here. So let me just show you on the other side. Let me just see if we can get a better angle on the ball here. You can see the ball, actually that's exactly right. So here. Just a nice reassuring hand underneath here. I'm going to go a little bit slower. And we can do circular movements and then also just encouraging it down and down and down, like a downward movement along the masseter, and then circular. And what's nice about these crystals is that they can be set on some ice, so they can be cold. Some beautiful jade pieces as well. Jade's excellent for bone as well, so it really helps with the jaw and the teeth. Nice and slow and steady, circular. Is that quite strong? Is it strong?
Yeah, but it's nice.
Okay, we'll allow that. That's good. Just working as well down sternocleidomastoid here. Scalene, splenius capitis. What's nice as well is that you can take this into your massage so that you can work on the body and temples. Come into the head. And then as well as those, we have the new discs. I like the discs because they just sit nicely in your fingers here to do circles, and the edge is really nice. I think the whole vibe with the discs is circular. You can do stripping. I prefer my other gouache shell for stripping, like the S shapes and the heart shapes. I like those for stripping, but I think these are such a nice shape for swooshes around zygomatic and rosorius. Pulling, you can pull, and circles. They're just so lovely. And if these are on ice, you can just cool the face by flipping. So these are nice, the discs. What's really nice about having the discs as well is that if you were to have the set, they sit so nicely together, which just keeps the sphere in place. Always nice when we're working the jaw just to massage manually as well. What I love about my videos is that there's real life going on in the background, with some drilling outside in the road, and people in my homes, in the kitchen, clanking around. I'm surprised the dogs haven't barked. That's usually a trademark at the School of Fine Tuning. But you know what? When you're having a facial massage, I don't think anybody cares actually. There can be drilling going on. That's the beauty of facial massage, is that there can be drilling and all the things going on. And you don't care.